Today, we are going to be exploring Five Little Ducks. This is Musical Reads and Adventures in Suzuki Parenting. Hi, my name is Jody St. Clair, and I live in Eugene, Oregon, and teach violin and Suzuki early childhood classes. As a child who grew up in the 80s, I love Raffi, and I think very fondly back to all of the songs that I listened to as a child. So any of these books that have the song that Raffi has done are fantastic. They really grab a child's attention. It's so great to have a way to interact with a song and a book in multiple ways. You can listen to the song on a recording, you can sing and read the book, and like I said, these musical books really keep children's attention much quicker than many other books. So they may not sit and listen to many stories when they're about 1.5, but they'll sit and listen to a song. So I also love that some of them, not all of them, I think most of the board books don't, but the ones that are paper like this have the notes in the back. So if you play guitar or piano, you can also try bringing it into a musical instrument and using it that way. I'm sure if it doesn't have this, you could find the notes online. That's just another way to interact with the story and the book. Because it already has the notes, this one is pretty much how you would expect to sing it. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. If you wanted to, you could stop here and count them or point out their colors. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. And it goes on. But I especially like when we get to kind of express emotion through books. With toddlers and preschoolers, it's really important to be naming the feelings that they get. And this is a chance for us to see some emotions through the story. So when I sing this part, I want to sing it in a sad way. Sad mother duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. And all of the 5 little ducks came back. So I might end it in a very exciting way, because that's what we would feel if all of our ducks came back with more ducks, little families of ducks. So this is a great book to enjoy with your baby, toddler, preschooler. It really has a nice long life to enjoy with your child. I would love to hear what other musical reads you are enjoying with your children. Please put them in the comments below. If you liked this, please hit like and subscribe so you can see future musical reads and practice tips. Happy reading!